Want to make your Revit views look more presentable? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a background in just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to ARCHI Tools. In this video, we'll discuss about how you can provide your background to various types of views, be it any 3D view or be it any elevation like as you're seeing over here. So just to make it provide a little bit contrast in your drawings. So we are not talking about the rendering process in which you can add clouds or images inside your renders. We are talking about the sheet documentation in which your elevation needs some kind of background, and just it helps us to beautify this elevation, as you can see. So how are we able to do this? Let's discuss. So in the floor plans, I'll just go to into one of the floor plans and I'll create one of the views by going into view and selecting the elevation. So let's say I want my elevation from here, and now I'll just go to this elevation right over here. I'll extend it a little bit like this. Okay, so now as you can see, we have a profile, but I want my background to have some kind of color behind. How we can provide that color or any image, any gradient, whatever we require, how we can do that. Just go into this options over here, and after clicking it, you will find an option of graphic display options. Just click on that, and here you would find an option for the background. You just drop down this, and currently background is set to none. And if you drop down this, so we have three options. You can either choose a sky, you can choose a gradient, or you can choose an image. So let's go ahead and select the sky once. So I have selected the sky, and it is showing a ground color also. You can change this ground color as well. I'll show you where this ground color appears. Let's go ahead and apply this. So this is the color of the sky, and you cannot change a lot of things in this because it is somewhat related to the settings in your uh, renders. So it is looking like this, and the color of the ground which we had just set, it can be seen near the horizon line over here. So that's how you can set your sky using this option. Let's jump on to the next option, that is the gradient. So I personally like this option for just providing a background in this elevations. So once you set the background as gradient, it will ask for the sky color, and you can choose whatever color you like. And this is a horizon color, and this would be the ground color. So based on these three colors, our gradient will be set. If I hit the apply key, you can see how the elevations has changed its background, and now it's more clear that your profile is more clear and your elevation is looking a little bit more nicer. You can just play with these colors if you want to change it. Let's say you want this color, you can select this, and if you want to change your horizon color, you can play with it and choose what is most suitable for you. So this is related to the providing gradient as a background. Now, coming on to the last part of this background, that is setting up an image. So, for this, if I select the image option, I have to select the image first of all. So, let's see if we have downloaded anything. I'll choose this image, and I have chosen this image, and based on the size of the image, you can either keep it as original size. So if I keep this as original size, you can see this is not what I would want. If I keep it at stretch, so the whole crop region around the image will just stretch itself all around the crop region. You can set it to width, so the width will be stretched out in order to just accommodate, and vice versa for the height. So I'll just go ahead and select this one option. This is looking much better. and I'll press on OK. So your background has now been added as an image. So that's how you can add your background in your various views, be it the elevation, the section, or a 3D view. You can add your backgrounds as per your requirement. Let me know in the comments box if you are facing any queries related to this. Like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.